In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on gear icon at the top right corner. Now select Themes and tap on any of those under yours or gallery to apply it. If you wanna customize it, select Customize on the left and tap on Start under Design New Theme. Now tap on this icon of a photo and a plus at the top right corner, and finally my favorite part, pick any photo you want. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and when you're ready, adjust background darkness by swiping left or right on this slider. Now hit Done at the top right corner. If you are not satisfied with your keyboard, you can tap on this pen at the top left one, change it and hit Done again, and manage key borders thanks to this switcher. Then select Save at the top right corner and wait. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!